Today I'm going to talk about how to unlock your iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max without iTunes or computer. No need to worry, the step is same for all 12 models. So let's get started. The first thing is, make sure that you are either connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay, you need to have another phone. You can use your friend's phone or any alternative phone. Here's the phone. What you have to do is you have to go to Safari. Then go to iCloud.com. Then sign into the Apple ID used in the disabled iPhone. Then go for it, give the respective password. Then go for sign in. Now they'll be asking for a two-factor authentication. If you have used the same Apple ID in different iPhone, iPad, or any Apple device, you'll be getting code in other iOS devices. If it's not available, you can tap on Did Not Get a Verification Code. You'll get more options to receive text message with a code to your phone number given in the iCloud account. Before tapping on Text Me, if the SIM card is in disabled iPhone, you can remove the SIM card from disabled iPhone to another phone to see the code. Now tap on Text Me. Give the code and proceed. Go for trust. Then tap on Find iPhone. Okay, here are the devices. Now select the disabled iPhone from the list. From here, you will be able to see an option called Erase iPhone. Tap on that. Go for Continue. Re-enter the password of iCloud account. Once again, you have to do the two-factor authentication. Go for Next. Go for Done. As you can see that, we will be getting a message, Erase started. And as you can see that it is all done. Let's keep this phone aside. And set up the iPhone. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Give the respective Apple ID and password previously used in this iPhone. Go for Next. You can go for restore if you have the backup, or else you can go for don't transfer apps and data. So that's all about it. And we hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of doubts, do ask in the comments section and we'll be getting back to you. See ya. Take care.